What's up, y'all? It's Manaya, and today we're going to be doing a pink and white soft but glam look. Today we're going to be reviewing eyebrows. We're going to touch bases on face. We're going to touch a lot of bases on the actual eye look, and you might see a couple of tips and bonus tips in here as well. So just continue watching. So the first thing we're going to do is start off by cleansing the area. To cleanse her area, I'm actually using Sea Breeze, a little bit of alcohol, witch hazel, and that's all that'll be used on her skin right now. Okay, so for the eyebrow fill-in, I'm using an eyebrow pomade. As far as the products, you're not gonna hear me speak and name any of these products because I have so many. I'm not gonna remember watching the video which one I exactly use, but you'll see it on the sides of you by now. So yeah, I'm going in with the eyebrow pomade. As you see, I'm just stroking the eyebrow hairs with it. We're going for more of a, like I said, a soft but glam look. So I'm going to make sure to incorporate that with her eyebrows as well. Y'all didn't see me clean up her eyebrows, but that's only because she had just came and got an appointment about a week ago or maybe 5 days. So her eyebrows were still very clean, so we could skip that process. And this client, like I said, we're going for more of a glamish look in a couple of spots. So I kind of go for a lighter tone under the brow when my clients want that glam look. There are times when I'm doing maybe per se a natural look or a fresh face look or a soft glam preferred by clients. Usually I may even use just their pure skin tone and it'll match their foundation and you won't see that whole highlighted pop. But for this look, we're definitely going to do that light pop because it's going to be cute with the pink. Just wait. A tip I can give you for carving your eyebrows is to simply guide the line that you created. Do not try to guide that line of your client's eyebrow because when you drew on, whether it was a pencil, pomade, or any other type of product, you drew on a different type of line whether you realize it or not. So follow your line. Then as far as how to do it, you're just simply gliding those eyebrows. Don't think of it as rocket science. Just glide your brush next to the eyebrow. That's all you got to do, girl. You got it. I have one more tip for eyebrows specifically. When you're a beginner or you just have a little more difficulty with the eyebrow portion of the face, simply tell your client to be still for a moment. That means no talking, no moving, no phone action. No, girl, do not answer the phone right now. I remember when I was a beginner, I used to have to tell the girls, hold on, don't move, don't talk, don't get on your phone. Let me do your eyebrows real quick because I cannot do them any other way. Literally. And that wasn't because my work was off or anything like that. It's just that your hand has to kind of rest on their face. And if you don't have that hand control with that movement going on, you're gonna get some crooked eyebrows. It took me a long time to be able to handle it, and I promise you that. We're now about to begin touching her eyelids for the eyeshadow. Today we're going to be using the Destined to Be by Moira. It's very affordable, about $20. And I also feel like it takes to the skin so well, no matter the skin tone. I've had the darkest of the darkest tones sit in my chair, and this product will go on bright, like you've put primer behind it, even if you haven't. So we're going to start off by going in with the color Candid. As you see, that's where it's going. You want to put this color at the hood of the eye, as you see I'm doing. Now we're going in with the color Jenny to bring some vibrancy to this look. We're going to put it in the edges of the eye and bring it into that corner crease. With the color from the James Charles palette. I don't know exactly what color. You can see next right there, but it's the brightest pink. That's what I know off Voice, and I'm putting that in the corner as well, just to bring some more dimension into that eyeshadow look. We're now going to shift into that tan portion of the eye look. I use Maybelline Eraser Concealer. I literally just pressed against one time with the product, and then I got my brush and you just see me buffing it in. To set that, I'm going to go in with the eyeshadow Promise Me color from the Destiny to Be Moira palette as well. We're now ready for the liner. Today we're going to be using Beats by Deb pastel liquid liner. I'm using her pink pastel liquid liner. To use that, I just used some of my setting spray, sprayed it in there, got a brush, and boom, it worked. So now I'm applying this liner as normal. There's really nothing significant about this, just applying it as normal. Only tip I can give you for this is how you have your client's eye placement while you're doing it. As you see, my client is looking down and she's also looking over a little bit in a way. I do this to ensure that I have a flat eye, because I've noticed that when my client's eyes are closed and I'm putting the liner on, it starts creating creases and things, and I don't really like that look. But I did find out that if you look down, you do have a flatter eye base, and it's been working wonders. So if you want to try it, and I highly suggest it. Okay, so now we're moving on to the face. I want y'all to just enjoy yourselves and watch this process. This is the foundation. I will be listing the products and things right there next to her, but this is the foundation part, and then we're gonna move into the concealer, the contour, and you just get into it and get the tips and facts that you need. I touched bases on this on Instagram, but I want to do it further in detail on this video. So basically on Instagram, I was letting my followers know that when it comes to contouring, a tip I have is to make sure that you're blending all the colors together. And what I mean by that is, as you see right here, I have my concealer still there ready to blend, and also my contour. And that's gonna bring me that flawless finish, that nice smooth base on that nose. That's not gonna give those harsh lines of the contour area. that completes this video. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube if you want more full detailed tutorials on makeup looks and hairstyles. Also remember to go ahead and go over to my Instagram, which is Beats by Vanaya, and on TikTok as well, just for those extra daily tips and tricks for your beauty. Click the link for my Amazon storefront down below in the description if you want the products that I use for this specific look. And I hope to see you again in another video.
Filter is needed at all. At all. Literally. Beat by Vanaya. Period.
I'm a whole 10, not a fraction. PYT, no Michael Jackson. Take a picture, add a caption. We rock Jordans and Steve Maddens. Catch us slacking, not gon'